Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu and I'm the founder of the company called Seaspire. We are India's only plant-based seafood company. Our product will taste, feel and look like a fish but is completely vegetarian, vegan, 100% vegetarian, and it is made using pea and rice protein. We are available in 4 cities: Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai, and you can search us online and order our products there. Thank you. The quality is very nice. It goes to very different quality checks, and you can cook it exactly like you cook your normal fish. You can take the product out of the packet, you can directly stir fry it, deep fry it, you can put it in your curries, you can put it in salads. Exactly how you cook your fish, it is very similar to that. Our motto to start this company was, we realized that there is a lot of overfishing happening and the fishes are getting empty from the oceans, and there will be sooner day there will be no fish left in the seas. So we want to start this drive where people are switching to a much healthier life, and also there are a lot of fish coming from the seas which are polluted with different toxic and food waste or any waste what we put it in the ocean. The fish consumes that, and in the end humans are only consuming that. So to just stay away from all this, we have come up with different alternatives where you can enjoy fish sitting at home by not harming the fish in the oceans and also not harming the oceans. The experience has been very good. All the companies over here are doing great work. Everyone is deep into research and trying to bring up new things, and everyone is really helping n number of different sectors in human health and human technology, and so much in development. This is a very nice experience to come and see so many people are doing so many different things.